Hello and welcome everyone to S&B Diaries. Today we're going to cook homemade noodles, or in Filipino, pansit. We have some fresh bean sprouts which we've top and tailed. We've got one whole onion and a couple of cloves of chopped garlic. We have some mangetout, some
cabbage,
shredded cabbage with celery tops, some sliced carrots, some sliced runner beans, and today for our noodles, which is going to be vegetarian, we're going to use a rice vermicelli noodles with seasoned with soy sauce and black pepper.
So good.
We need to soak the noodles before you cook them, so we're going to pre-soak our noodles now. So we're pre-soaking our noodles in the bowl here. Onion and garlic first. So our onion is now soft. Now we're going to add our next ingredient. We're going to add our shredded runner beans.
Together with the carrots.
Shredded carrots. Look at the brightness of that wonderful colour. Combine the ingredients in the wok.
Soy sauce.
A splash of soy sauce. Just added the lid and we'll just keep checking it to see how it's doing.
Fish sauce.
Just a splash of fish sauce.
It's only half full.
Slightly crunchy.
Yeah.
We're going to add our cabbage.
Oh, that's a lot. If I got time to do.
Couple of twists of black pepper. You can add a splash of water if you want to.
Yeah. But you can do with meat, pork or chicken if you want.
But today we're doing a vegetarian noodles. So I'm making this today for my daughter to bring to work for her work colleagues tomorrow. So here we go. This is how it looks so far. Now we're going to add the mangetout. It does wilt down a bit.
Yeah. Milk. You can do spring roll. Is it ready now? I think so.
Looks like it's softened alright.
Yeah.
We're going to use the same wok for our noodles, the pre-soaked noodles, which we've rinsed and changed the water. So to our wok we've just added 2 cups of boiling water,
Then
some black pepper,
maybe 3 tablespoons. With my secret ingredients, Simon. Where's my secret ingredients, please? Give it a mix.
you can normally find it in your Asian stores.
So that the noodles won't be sticky.
Stick to the pan.
Yeah, sticky chocolate.
The noodles we were using today is quite long, so we're just cutting it down in size a little bit.
Just putting the noodles in.
So we just drain the noodles. We're adding it to the boiled stock, and the stock that we had heating in the wok is going to be absorbed by the noodles, which will soak up all that lovely flavour. So we're just going to add some more soy sauce to the noodles.
So that it won't be anemic. Look like anemic.
Just to enhance the colour.
You know what it means? Should be right. Mr. Rhodes said a bit more of soy sauce. We're not using salt. But you like Filipino food, Snake.
Oh yes, love it.
You love Filipino food. Mix the noodles now. Oh, I'm sorry. Mix the veg now
Into the noodles.
into the noodles. Noodles is ready. We're gonna do the next recipe. What's our next recipe, Sai?
I'm not sure what we're going to cook yet. And
Here's the noodles.
the finished vegetarian noodles. Delicious.
Taste it first then.
Bellissimo.
Okay.
Very nice. That's all from us for today. Thanks for watching, guys, and bye for now.